radio antenna operating in the 430-470 MHz frequency range, suitable for both cars and trucks, compatible with all UHF 430-470 MHz radio stations on the market. Very easy to install thanks to the included magnetic base. Installed on the car dome, the PNI UF400 offers maximum communication range and perfect omnidirectional coverage. The PNI UF400 is compatible with the PNI Escort HP 446 UHF radio station. The PNI UF400 antenna has a strong magnet, compact dimensions, and 120 mm in diameter. The base is constructed of high-quality materials, glossy ABS plastic, and a galvanized metal coating to prevent corrosion. The magnetic base comes with a 4-meter RG58 coaxial cable and PL259 plug for connecting the antenna to the radio station. Mobile antennas with a magnetic base provide excellent performance when installed on the roof of a vehicle. Installation is incredibly easy. Simply place the magnet on the car dome and then route the coaxial cable into the car through a window, door frame or hole to connect to the radio. The antenna wire is made of the best stainless steel, which resists bending and rust. Also, the antenna coil has an anti-corrosion coating with excellent properties of resistance to external agents.